Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem with your iPhone 5s. The screen is extremely pops out. Now you can see here the screen is pop out quite bad and it is a problem. Now there are many things that can cause the screen to pop out like this, and if it pops out a little bit on the side here on the right hand side, it is most likely because you drop your phone a few times or the adhesive has dry off and it sometimes can pop the screen out. Now you can see here with this phone here, the phone keep restarting. The reason that it has a problem is because it's the battery. The battery has dying out and it's inflated. When the battery inflated with gas and air inside that battery, it pushes the screen up. Now if you continue to leave this phone pops up for too long and you continue to use it, sooner or later the screen will get damaged. You can even break the glass and the LCD beneath it. Now you can see when the glass have pops off like this, dust has find its way into the center of the screen, so there are many dust particles lying around on the screen right here. So to fix this problem, you need to replace it with a battery. So with a pair of screwdrivers, remove the two screws and take them out. And then we need to pry off the screen. I'm going to use this suction cup and push it down. Then using a pry tool or a blade, and I'm just going to lift it up. And then I'm just going to use this pry tool and then trying to push in it and pry it off like this. I'm just going to twist it. So you're just going to twist it to lift up the screen. And underneath here, underneath the home button, there is a cable. So be careful when you lift up the screen that you don't snap the cables. So gently lift up, but not too high. And then we use these tools here and pry off this right here. Remove this metal plate cover and we lift the screen up, and we need to remove the 4 screws on this metal plate. Now we can go ahead and remove this metal plate, and then we can pry off the 3 ribbons cables. They are the cameras, the LCD and the touch screen. And that just come off like so. So here is what causing the screen to pop up. You can see the battery is really inflated. Now we need to remove the metal plate cover. So we first disconnect the battery connector, and then we're going to remove the battery. Now it looks like this battery has been replaced before, because the original battery would have the 2 stickers to pull out at the top here, but there's nothing for you to pull out, so this means this battery already has been replaced. So in this case we're just going to pry off the battery. Okay, I'm just turning the phone upside down to make it easier, and I'm just going to pry off the battery like so. Now use double-sided tape so that we can stick the battery down. Now we're going to put a new battery in. And then just going to connect the battery connector. So here we can put in the connectors. Just like so. Into this place, like so. Push it down. Next we're going to put a metal plate back on. This will hold down the battery connector. Now you can see the LCD in the frame is nice and flat once it is out of the phone, because the battery no longer pushes it up. But you can see it is now still quite loose because it has been damaged from the previously. Very tight. So the glue that I'm using is this B6000. You can use B7000 as well. It's very similar. Now this glue here is easy to clean afterwards, so later you can easily clean it. It's like rubber. Once it's dry you can easily just wipe clean.
You can see I'm just trying to squeeze just a tiny bit into each corner of the screen, and this is a perfect glue for repairing. It won't damage the screen.
Okay, next we can assemble the phone together again. So again, we just do it back in reverse. There are 3 ribbon cables.
And after that, we can connect.
So simply just connect the ribbon cables back into place.
There are 3 ribbon cables. One is
Make sure you don't use too much force.
and one is the touch screen.
It should be nice and easy.
And the last one here is the camera and the earpiece. So after that, we're going to put the metal plates back in. So there are 4 screws. Make sure you put the right screw in the right place.
Now it's time for us to put this together.
So this cable here is the touch ID as well as the home button. So make sure you are careful with it. So simply just push the connector down to the charging port right there. So just push it down with the pry tool. There's also another metal piece that sits on top of it. The metal piece is responsible for holding that connector.
Push it down like that.
So make sure you have that metal piece back.
And now we can cover it.
And after that, we can close the LCD screen.
Now we can cover the phone.
So just gently push it down, and that will snap into place.
And there it is.
And that's
You
it.
can see it nice and flat. And the last step is to put the 2 screws back on.
And finally, we can put the 2 screws next to the charging port. So screw them in and secure the screen. After that, we can try to charge the phone and see if everything works as expected. And there you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you charge it up, and because the battery might be flat.